guys, I wanted to record a quick little voiceover of your document that you're going to need to fill out today, just so that I can give you some information on some tips and things that I might be able to answer some questions for you before those questions come up. Today, when you're learning from home, you're going to watch a Bill Nye movie. It's linked right here on your document, so click on that link. It'll take you to YouTube, and that's the video that you need to watch. Today, you're going to learn about chemical reactions and practice note-taking using this guided note catcher as you watch your educational Bill Nye movie. Type your answers on this document next to the questions. Keep in mind, note-taking is an important skill for learning. It's going to help you gather, learn, and store information. The video delivers information very quickly, guys. After watching it through the first time, I would recommend watching it a second time so that you can pause and rewind to gather the information that you need on chemical reactions. You're going to go through and answer the questions where there are lines. Sometimes you're going to see parentheses with a number in it. What I'm showing you right here is you're going to find this answer when you are 17 minutes and 6 seconds into the video. So as you watch the video, you're going to go through and fill in your note catcher. Number 2 says list 6 examples of a chemical reaction given in the video. He gives a lot more than 6. Trust me, there's a lot. So just include 6. You're going to fill in all the answers. If there's no line behind it, you're just going to type on here. Remember, if I assign you a document on Classroom, I've made you a copy. So please do not make a copy of this and share it with me. I've already given you a copy on Classroom. You're going to go through and answer the rest of these questions. And then on number 10, it says, think about your learning. Reflect on the use of the guided notes to help you gather information from the video. Did it help you focus on the scientific information in the video? What went well? What did not go well? And what would make this better in the future? Guys, really put some thought into this answer for me, please. Please, on number 10, don't put nothing. Don't leave it blank. I'm really looking for feedback from you guys on what I can do to make this process better for you in the future to be a successful scientist. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.